Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manful Yoga. In this quick video, I give you an in-depth but short tutorial for the triangle posture found in yoga. Let's get straight into it. So you're going to start with your feet kind of in a warrior two stance, but just feet a little bit closer together. So your front foot is turned directly to the outside. Your other foot, your back foot, is facing just slightly inside. So about 85 degrees, back foot facing straight forward. From here, place your hands on your hips. So that's going to help ensure that you keep your hips level. Keep your hips directly under your shoulders initially and keep your spine neutral. Bend your knee until it's directly over the ankle in your front foot. And then bend from the waist to move the torso over your bent leg, right? So we're kind of moving into this side angle position. And then from here, you're going to bring your left arm toward the ceiling, palm facing forward, and extend your right arm toward the floor. Tighten the left side of your body, keeping the entire left side of your body engaged. So you want to feel the core and your oblique engaged. Turn your head to look up at your extended hand. From here, with that right hand reaching toward the ground, push your right hip into your back hip, and you'll start to feel a stretch through your inner thighs. All the while, you're still keeping the focus of kind of the weight of where you're putting your body weight, and the tension for this posture is staying in your hips and your core. Roll back that left shoulder so you're looking straight up at the ceiling, and then reach your right hand down toward the ground. Depending on your hip mobility, you might want to bend this knee. Your goal is to just straighten this front leg until you feel the stretch through the inner thigh. You don't need to go anything beyond that. And if you notice that your core and your side are starting to get out of proper technique, maybe they're coming forward, maybe they're rounding, then you don't want to bend that leg as much. You're holding this posture for 30 to 60 seconds. As you inhale, you're going to get longer, so your head presses away from your body, your arm reaches higher. As you exhale, you might straighten this right leg a little bit more to increase the depth of this stretch. And make sure to do it on both sides. For more information on this pose, make sure to head to the link in the description below. You'll get benefits, a full pose technique walkthrough, common errors to avoid, modifications if you can't quite do it, and get some FAQs answered. All of the information I just gave you was taken directly from my book, Yoga Fitness for Men. It was a #1 new release in 3 categories on Amazon, featured in Muscle and Fitness magazine, and also in Men's Health online. It's available all over the world, in stores and online. Make sure to check that out. And also, look at the rest of this page. We've got a full pose walkthrough, benefits, modifications if you can't quite do the posture yet, common errors to avoid, and also some answers to common frequently asked questions. And if you're not already on my members area or using one of my programs, make sure to check out the rest of the training resources on this website. There's tons of stuff here to help you learn yoga and also see and experience the benefits of yoga, help you get stronger, improve your mobility, and much, much more. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you use this pose guide and it's useful for you. And I'll see you on the next video.